Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lakshya. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good, thank you. So let's wait for the others also to join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jyoti. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also good. Okay, children, turn on the video now. So as I told you today, we will be discussing what?
Olympiad questions.
Very good, Jyoti. So we are going to discuss the Olympiad questions. So let me. Hayan, you have joined with two devices. I can see by the name Yuvan also. I can see by the name Han also.
What?
You have joined by two devices? I don't know because your name is coming, your brother's name is coming, Yuvan here, and your name is also coming. Okay, never mind. So, should I share the screen now for the Olympiad questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, let me first of all take the book also. I'll share the. Okay. Let me. Split. Huh. Just a minute, children. The file is not getting opened. Okay. Now I'll share the screen. Start sharing. Can you see the screen, children, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you are able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will be starting with the question number 1. Refer to the plant shown in the picture and select the correct statement regarding it. So one by one, you will be telling me the answer for the same. Fine. So Dhruti, can you answer me for this?
The answer for the first one is seeds of this plant are dispersed by water.
Very good. So what kind of plant this is, Dhruti?
Ma'am, it's coconut.
Correct. Right? So this is a coconut plant, and the coconut plant, basically coconut, they will be dispersing with the help of the water. That is why the answer is B. Okay. Uh, now, Hayan, can you try with question number 2?
Ma'am, I am not remembering.
Okay, Lakshya, then you can try.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I try too? But can I give the answer to you in the chat box?
Ha, you can do that. Meanwhile, Lakshya, you need to read the question and then say the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the second one, right?
Yeah.
Select the option that correctly identifies the shade shown in the figure and its mode of dispersion.
Hmm.
Ma'am, it's cocklebur seed animal.
Okay, C is the cocklever and it's basically the animal. Now, sometimes see what happened, we will not be able to, understand the name. Like cocklever, you might not have heard it frequently, right? So by seeing the picture itself, you can identify, okay, it is kind of,
It's like a seed which
with
we don't
spine.
see regularly, and it's different.
Correct. It has a lot of spines also, like, and the spines are present
Yes.
in the animal. And I'll tell you, when we talk about the cockleber, it's basically nothing. The other name of the Xanthium. So Xanthium plant, other name is the cockleber. Okay. So correct answer is C only. Now question number 3. Lakshya, you need to read and say the answer.
Yes. Ma'am, it's during the process of seed germination, the part that develops first is the root.
Very good. Correct. That is the root. The first part which will be developing is the root. Now, Dhyuti, you have to answer the fourth one.
Identify the plant whose leaf is shown in the picture and select the correct statement regarding it. Ma'am, option A.
Why do you think it is option A but not the option B, C, or the D?
Ma'am, because except for A, the other plants, their leaves do not grow small plantlets on their leaf edge, while bryophyllum is the plant which does vegetative propagation, and it is the correct option.
Very good. Correct. The correct option is the A, which is the vegetative propagation, and the leaf is the bryophyllum. See, lotus leaf will be little broad, so it is not the answer. Rose leaf, we all have seen, will be very small. Pea plant also, it's a kind of the climber where the tendrils and all will be there. So the leaf which is given in the bryophyllum, automatically the answer will be the A. Let me see Hannah has joined or not. He has not joined. Okay. Now, question number 5. Lakshya, you need to answer.
Yes, ma'am. Spores are usually produced by non-flowering plants, which is
Correct. So when we talk about the spores, they are basically the non-flowering plant. Now, what happens? See, here they have given A, B, C, D. In the A, they have given flowering plant, which is wrong, right? So spores will have a kind of the small pores like structures present them, or small round like structures present in them. So A is definitely wrong. Now in the C, what happened? They have given both the option, which is flowering and non-flowering, which is also again wrong because it cannot be flowering plant. And the last one, they have given non-green plant. So non-green plant can be many. It can be mushroom also, it can be the other stuff also, which is like not the spore of it. That is why the B1, they are the non-flowering plant, where those plants like the ferns and all, they will be producing the spores.
Ma'am, my tab shut down, so I had to leave and rejoin, ma'am.
No problem, man. Now, Hayan, can you try with the question number 6? You have to unmute yourself. Read the question. I'll help you out
Ma'am,
then.
trying to generate a seed. Ma'am, I did not understand the question, ma'am.
Okay, no problem, Hayan. I'll tell you. Lakshya and Dyuti, can you tell me the answer? Only the answer you should tell me.
Ma'am, option B.
Okay, and Lakshya, according to you, what is the answer?
Ma'am, I think it's C.
Okay, Lakshya's answer is correct, which is the C1. Now I'll tell you what happened. They have given here 4 friends are there: Rohit, Manav, Dhruv, and Kinshuk. Now all of them, they have tried to germinate a bean seed, as you can see in the picture. What Rohit did? Rohit had just kept the the seed, and he did not give the soil to it, neither the water nor the soil. So only the air is coming to the seed. That is what the Rohit has done. Now, in the second one, in the Manav setup, if we talk about, there is basically the seed is getting the air, it is getting the excess of the water. If you see the water level, it is too much actually, like, which is not being required. So, in the Manav setup, seed is getting the air, it is getting the excess of water and sunlight. But what happened when Manav has sports lot of the water, in that case also the seeds will not be germinating. Okay, Dyuti, so the B answer is wrong because according to the picture, lot of water Manav has given to the seed, which is not being required.
And what I thought was, it's like when you do sprouts, you put them in water and then they'll start.
Germinating.
Yeah, I thought like
No,
that, and
no.
then I told.
So that's what, like, we have to see the diagram. Now, see, come to third one when we talk about the Dhruvs. In Dhruv setup, you can see that seed is getting the moisture. So the wet cotton, what he has done over the seed, he has kept the wet cotton. Or on the wet cotton, he has kept the seed. Now, automatically, that water is available on the wet cotton, and whatsoever is required, that he is getting it. So the Dhruv seed is getting the sufficient water, air, and also the sunlight. Then in the last setup, you can see what Kinshuk has done. Kinshuk has kept the seed and
Put
he has
it
closed
in
it.
the airtight pot, and then if it does
Correct.
not get air, how will it
So
germinate?
he has closed it completely, and because of which he will not be getting the air. The seed will not be getting the air, neither the sunlight. That is why the fourth answer is definitely wrong. So the Rohit and Kinshuk, we know it is completely wrong. But now I hope like you have got it. Why Manav and Dhruv? What is the difference between both? So correct answer is Dhruv. Am I clear, Anne, with this? How the answer is Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute, children. Just give me a minute, okay? Till then, you can read the question number 7. All of you can read that. Give me a minute. Meanwhile,
And I got the answer.
okay.
Can you-
Just no, just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, I'll come back. Okay. 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 Hmm. You have to read the question and tell me the answer then.
Which stage of agriculture is called harvesting? When Growing plants are watered when mature crop is cut down, when pesticides are sprayed, when seeds start germinating. Ma'am, the correct option is option B, when mature crop is cut down.
Correct. So harvesting is a process where the mature crop will be cut down. Good. Okay. Question number 8. Lakshya, read and say me the answer.
Ma'am, question number 8 is leaves of which of the following plants can be used to make insecticide at home?
Ma'am, I gave a guess for this question in the chat box.
Okay. Hayan, can you tell me, can you try with this question number 8? What can be the answer according to you, Hayan?
Neem.
Very good, Hayan. Correct. Neem. So in our home also, I don't know, like, might be your mother not using those kind of remedies. So generally, if we, purchase lot of the rice, lot of wheat and all, so we have to protect them. Now, as I told you, if we add the insecticides and all, then we will be taking those chemicals into our body indirectly. So to avoid that, the best natural way is to add the neem leaves in that, container and all. So the answer is neem. Okay. Did they read the question number 9 and tell the answer?
Ma'am, the question 9 is select the option in which one Rabi and one Kharif crop is paired correctly. Option A, gram and mustard. Option B, wheat and soybean. Option C, rice and maize. Option D, soybean and groundnut.
What is the answer according to you?
Ma'am, rice and maize.
Correct. So rice and maize are basically the correct pair. One is Rabi and the other one is the just a minute, children. No, 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 Duty, no. Rice and maize both are basically the kharif crop. Gram and mustard both are the rabi crop. Okay. The correct answer here is the wheat and soybean. So wheat is rabi crop and the soybean is the kharif crop. Okay. And when we talk about the soybean and groundnut, they both are the again kharif crop. So correct answer is wheat and
soybean.
soybean. Yes. Okay. Lakshya, go for the question number 10.
Yes, ma'am. Read the given statements and select the incorrect ones. Number 1, new plants can only grow from seeds. Number 2, the cotyledons store food that is used by growing plant. 3, seeds can germinate without water. 4, kharif crops are grown in summer. So the incorrect ones are
Read the question, Lakshya. They have asked incorrect ones.
yes, ma'am, the incorrect one.
Ayan, can you also try with this?
Ma'am,
I
can I
got
tell the
it.
answer?
Ma'am, it's number 1 and 3, B.
Number
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Okay. Dyuti, what do you think?
Ma'am, it's option B.
Okay, Hayan, what do you think? Hayan, you can turn on the video and tell me what can be the correct answer, incorrect answer, like basically. Incorrect ones here.
Wait for the program. I think second option, ma'am.
Correct. Yes. The B one is the correct answer. So when we talk about the first option, which is given here, new plants can grow only from the seed. That is correct. Right? It is correct? No, it is not correct. New plants can also grow from the fruits, from the leaf, from the roots. They can grow from that part also. That is why the first option is incorrect here. Now, second one, the cotyledon will store the food which will be used by the growing plant, which is true. So, this is a wrong answer. Now, third one, the seeds can germinate without water, which is again the wrong statement. That is why the first and the third are the correct answer for this question. Now, question number 11. Dyuti, go for that.
Refer to the given figure and select the option that correctly lists the list the plant in which the label part is edible.
Here, what they have given is, they have given you the plant, okay, and they have labeled them as W, Y, X, Z. Now you have to understand, like suppose W is given. W is which part? What kind of the part it is? It is a root, it is shoot, it is flower. And according to that, the example you have to mark it correctly.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, for the 10th question, I remembered like the statement which is the fourth one, that it told that the kharif crops are sown in summer. I mean summer, but it is actually sown in monsoon.
Which one you are talking about?
Ma'am, the 10th one.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Ma'am, the
Oh,
answer is W, cauliflower and broccoli.
Just a minute, Rajan, just a minute, just a minute.
Not, Daddy, not working. Stay here.
Yeah. So you are saying, Lakshya, that the question number 10th, where the kharif crops are grown in summer.
Stuck in that the Zoom is not responding on question. Zoom is not responding on question.
Dyuti, we can hear you.
Ma'am, the answer is option A, W, cauliflower and broccoli.
Correct. That is an answer. Lakshya, basically, a kharif crop, they are grown, or we can say they are cultivated in the month of the monsoon season only, which is somehow the summer season. It can be the June also, right? It can include the June. So in the June season, July season, it is summer as well as the monsoon season. Okay. Now moving to the 11th one, Dyuti, what you have answered is correct. That is like W is basically the flower. Okay. Now when we talk about the cauliflower and broccoli, what they are? They are the flower part, a part of it. Now the X which is given here, do you think so? They are the root for the radish. The X is the stem here, right? But in the X option, they have given as a radish, which is the root. So this is wrong. X cannot be the answer. Now coming to the Y. Y is a leaf. In the case of the Y, they have given cabbage, which is correct. Cabbage is a leaf. But carrot is a leaf. Carrot is a root.
Carrot is a root.
Correct. So that is why the C option is wrong. Now the last one, Z. Turnip. Turnip, like Z, if I talk about, is a root. So turnip is basically a kind of the root, but ginger is not the root. It is a stem part of it. Okay, that is how the correct answer is A. See, children, Olympiad questions are all about omitting the wrong answer. First, what you need to do, you have to read all the options. You should not be in hurry to answer everything. Immediately, okay, I have read the question. This is the answer. No, read the question twice. Read your option, and then definitely you'll be getting the correct answer. So one by one, you have to find the wrong answer, and then the last two options which is left, then you should decide which is the correct one based on your need. Okay. Now the question number 12. Name of some of the plants are given below. How many of these are dispersed by the wind? Pea, hyptage, lotus, mango, apple, balsam, geranium, madar, coconut, and dandelion.
Ma'am, what is hyptage, geranium and madar?
I'll show you the picture. Hyptage, geranium, and madar. Hyptage will be basically like, they will be dispersing with the help of the explosion.
Okay.
Madar is basically the wind, but let me show you the picture. Hyptage. Here. So like this they will be, and the flower, like, the upper part of them will get explode and the seeds will come in. Okay, this is how like they will be. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Whereas the mother, so hyptage is the explosion. Mother seeds are basically the wind only, like the exact picture. Wait, Radha. Like this. These are the mother seeds. So you might have seen, right? Sometimes,
Yes, ma'am.
in the sky and all, they will be flying.
Ma'am,
So
there
they
are
are the
many
mother
in our
seeds.
school.
So that
A lot of them are there in my school.
correct.
Ma'am, in our school
Then,
there are more than
hmm,
mother seeds.
okay. Then also the balsam is there, which will be actually doing the
See,
explosion
seeds
method,
specified.
like this. Okay.
Ma'am, balsam.
Yeah, this is the balsam one. Like this, the
Okay.
small hanging, like the structure will be there and they'll get open and the seeds will come out of them. Okay.
Ma'am, we have many of those in my community, ma'am.
So these are the three difference. Balsam and geranium. Oh, okay. That's great, Ayan. So generally, like, nowadays what happened, the people are nature
Ma'am, what
loving. So
about
they say,
geranium?
geranium is also basically the explosion.
Okay.
Okay. So pea, balsam and geranium, they are the seeds which will be dispersing by the explosion. Whereas the lotus and coconut seeds, they will be dispersing by the water. The mango and the apple seeds will be dispersed by the animals, and the left out are the three, which are the heptage, mother, and dandelion. So they will be done by the help of the wind. So what is the correct answer then?
Ma'am, option A, 3.
Option A. So heptage, mother, and dandelion, they are the three seeds which will be dispersing with the help of the wind. Now question number 13. Lakshya, read and say the answer.
Refer to the given figure and select the option that correctly identifies P, Q, and R.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I gave the answer in the chat.
Let's see.
Okay, Lakshya, it is C. Dyuti, what do you think? What is the answer?
Ma'am, it's option C.
Okay, Hayan, what do you think the answer is?
Same thing, ma'am.
Okay, correct. The answer is C. Now, if you see the pictures, children, one part is going down, that is the radical, which they have marked by the P. One part is basically the R1, which is going up, which is
Plumule.
basically the plumule. That is what they have marked by R. And the center part, which they have marked, is the cotyledon, which they have marked by the Q.
Q.
So that is how the answer is C, radical, cotyledon, and the plumule. Now, question number 14. Hayan, can you read and say the answer?
Select the artwork.
Read loudly, read loudly.
Select the odd one out on the base of number coordinates present in the seed.
So, rice, corn, wheat, and pea they have given. I'll tell you, children, about this. I'll explain you. So, here in this question, they have asked, we need to select based on the number of the cotyledon, which is the odd one out. So, rice, corn, and wheat, they are basically monocot, which means they will have the single cotyledon in them. And the D1, which is a P1, there it is a dicot plant where they have the two seeds. You might have seen the mutters, right? If you have the mutter, you can, or if you have the pea, you can, cut them into the two pieces, correct?
Mhm.
Hayan, are you saying something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the correct answer is the P. So P is a dicot plant, whereas all the other three are the monocot. And the 15th one, Jyoti, read it and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the 15th one is how do seed X and seed Y get dispersed?
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I think,
The answer.
ma'am, the answer is D.
Okay, Jyoti, it is D. Lakshya, what according to you?
Ma'am, it's explosion for peace and wind for maple.
Correct. So maple is nothing but the heptage only. So see, automatically A and C options are wrong because you can see the first X is the P plant, right? So we know clearly A and C are the wrong one. Now left out are the B and D where the X is given as explosion. Now we have to go for the second diagram where they have given the heptage plant, and in the heptage the dispersal method is the wind. So correct answer is the D. Okay. Now, children, what you need to do, you have to start doing the question number 16, 17, 18, 19 in your copy. Okay? Start doing it. And read them twice and then do it.
Ma'am, we should do it in our notebook.
Yes, notebook, you should do it. Read one by one and then do it. These are the achiever sections, so little complicated they are. Try to do it. Then we will be discussing as well.
Ma'am, what is propagule?
Sorry?
Ma'am, in the 16th question, it is written as vegetative propagule. What is
It means
propagule?
propagation, the method, what we have discussed.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to take out your copy, start doing it. Read carefully. See, reading is the most important thing for your examination point of view. If you read them clearly, you will be getting the answer.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom, ma'am?
Yes, Ayan, you can. So start doing with the 16th. Read the options there, P, Q, R. What are the options given and what is the correct answer for it?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
ma'am, I have a doubt. So in the 16th question, they're also asking they're asking the names of the tick marks, right? In the root, the stem, and the leaf. But then when the order of names they give, I'm a bit confused there because there's call row with Q, P, and R, right? Then there should be Q, and then there should be stem, root, and leaf. Then P, stem, root, and leaf. Then R, stem, root, and leaf, right? But it's given in P, then Q, then R, and then that's the set.
I did not get you, Dutti. See, I'll tell you what you need to do is, here when you see the table, they have said that the P which is given here is a root. Okay. The Q which is given should be the leaf, and R which is given there in the option should be the stem. Now you have to find the correct option in which P is root, Q is leaf, and R is the stem part of it. Okay. Now if you see A,
But my question is there are in the table there are rows for P, Q, and R, right? P has stem, root, and leaf. Q has stem, root, and leaf. R also has stem, root, and leaf.
No,
But
no,
then
no, 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 no. They are P option there. See, when you see A, B, C, D, out of these four, which is given under the P, you have to identify which is root actually. Broccoli is a root,
no, ma'am.
so automatically the A option is wrong. Got it?
Ma'am, so you mean that P, Q, and R, those are a set.
Those are the set basically. P, in the P, below the P, you have four options. Below the Q, four option. Below the R, four option. In the P, you should.
Ma'am, I'm asking about the table. In the table, in the plant column, it's written P, Q, and R, and then under vegetative propagule row, it's written stem, root, and leaf. And then under that, there are rows for P, Q, and R. So what I thought was the set of P has stem, root, and leaf. This set of Q has stem, root, and leaf, and then the
No,
set
no,
of
no, 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 no. P should be the root, Q should be the leaf, R should be the stem. So according, that's what they have given the tick there. So now you have to find.
Ma'am, P should be root, then Q should be leaf, and R should be stem.
Correct. Based on that, now out of those four options which is given under the P, you have to find out broccoli, dahlia, potato, and turnip. Out of these four, which is the root?
Okay, ma'am.
Now easily see, I'll give you a hint also. Easily what happened?
Ma'am,
Broccoli.
it is easy. I understood. I want to do it.
Okay, do it.
Ma'am, I gave the answer in the chat.
Okay. No. No, Duti. Lakshya, what is the answer according to you? Yes, Lakshya and Han, what is the answer of 16th according to both of you?
Ma'am, which one?
The 16th?
Ma'am, B.
B. Okay. Duti said D. Hayan, what is according to you? Question number 16.
Ma'am, I'm back.
Okay. So, Hayan, this question number 16, 17, 18, 19 should be done as homework, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
16th, I'll tell you, children. Lakshya, your answer is correct, which is the B. Duti,
Ma'am, but bryophyllum, does it vegetative propagule with the leaf, right?
correct.
B.
But
Ma'am,
the radish
what
do not do it with the stem. Radish is a root. That is why the answer is not D.
Ma'am, I told the answer is option C.
C. Okay. Coming to the C, I'll tell you. Potato is a stem, actually. So, which is wrong?
Ma'am, oh, okay.
Got it? So, dahlia is the root. Begonia is basically the leaf. And ginger is the stem. So, that is how the answer is the B here. Now, question number 17, 18, 19, children. Read, and do it. That is what I'm again telling you. If you want to, clarify your Olympiad competitive exam, You should read it. You should not be hurry for anything. Read it. See, now what happened if you're reading, with the faster way, you might get confused between Bryophyllum, Begonia and Bougainvillea. So reading is very important. Twice you should read the question, twice you should read all the options, then only you should start working on that part, okay? So question number 17, 18, 19, they are also the complicated one. Read them and then, only the answer of 17, 18, 19, you can message me over my WhatsApp chat, okay? Once you are done.
Ma'am, so it's like a homework.
Yes, it is the homework. Question number 17 to 19 is
Ma'am, so
the
can you
homework
send it in
now,
the group?
okay? So only message me the correct answer for the 17, 18 and 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
is the class done?
Yes, I am.
So,
And tomorrow you have your maths class, okay? At 10 a.m. the maths class will be there by using the CT Pro. So Thursday, Friday and Saturday, maths class.
Ma'am, do we have
Tomorrow, do
4
we have
o'clock? Class at 4 o'clock?
No, it is not for you. It is for your brother.
Ma'am, 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock?
8 o'clock, I think today you don't have, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, okay, ma'am.
No.
ma'am, tomorrow there's Hindi.
Tomorrow it will be there.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
Ma'am,
you.
when will we have our English class?
English class mostly either on Friday or Saturday. We'll confirm you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Bye.